Alright, we're going to start here at the 69-foot park. We're at 3914 East Madison. Date's April 21st, 2021. I'm making this recording from the basement, kind of underneath this deck. Storage area, crawl space area in the house. I'm coming back from the city main here, so at the city main we're sitting at about 69 feet. This is 6-inch diameter, shared 6-inch is clay sewer line here. So this is a sewer line running out to, give me a second. So a 6-inch diameter clay line. We've got a seam every 2 feet or so approximately. I can't see the street name from down here. I was looking to see if I could figure it out, but I could not, so I'm just going to come back out and find it in a second once I crawl out of here. But, all shared 6-inch sewer line. We are about to come out of the shared section right here. That is where they become shared with the neighboring home and into the personal line. So we are going to locate this spot because this is the location where the two lines join together. Pausing the video. Alright, we've got that spot located right about the sidewalk. So, started at 69, we're about 45, so right about 25 feet, 24 feet of shared 6-inch sewer line before we come back into the personal line for 3914. So coming back now into 3914's personal line. This is still 6-inch diameter clay sewer line, with the joint, again, about every 2 feet. This has been recently jetted, so the roots are small, but I was told they were pretty significant. This is where the sewer line is going from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter transition. We are also going to pause the video briefly to go locate this spot. So, pausing here. Okay, I've located that inside the yard, about 7 feet deep. That's where we're going from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter sewer. So we were at 44, 45 feet. 44 feet when we joined this line. We're back at 30 now, so 14 feet of personal 6-inch sewer before we hit the neighbor's connection point. Got a root growing through what looks like an old downspout tie-in, possibly on the upper left-hand side of the screen. We're going to finish the video and go locate these, because there's a couple of those potential downspout spots. Toilet paper in the line. Another potential downspout spot there on the left. And then we're back into this cast iron pipe here that runs underneath the house, and then the plastic, and up through the clean out here in a second. So I'm going to end the recording there. We've got a good look at this line. I'm going to go locate this spot.